So I have something that I want to share with everyone. I found this today. Let me, I'm going to pull it up right here. I want to share this with everyone. I came across this today. This is a classified CIA document. Now, I'm not sure when this came out. On here it says January 3rd, 1979, and I'm not sure how authentic it is, but I do want to read it. I wanted to read it to you. It says classified document, Department of Special Renaissance Arctic Division, file report, Operation Etherbound. Subject, discovery and initial renaissance of uncharted territories beyond the southern ice wall. January 3rd, 1979. Excuse me. Department is Arctic Division Special Projects Group. Now there's a couple of spots that are blurted out, but I'm gonna read it for everyone. The results of Operation Etherbound, a clandestine Renaissance expedition started by executive order blank, are presented in this paper. Beyond the southern Antarctic ice wall, during a high-risk exploration mission, personnel reported seeing land masses that had never been seen by any government, organization, or documented history. Blank, to preliminary data, the environment displays behaviors that are inconsistent with the understanding of atmospheric and geological sciences. The recovered mineralogical and biological specimens point to the existence of extraterrestrial evolutionary patterns. These discoveries fall under SCI Level 5 guidelines in terms of their breadth and ramifications. After receiving unusual data from blank satellite systems, Operation Etherbound was approved renaissance of uncharted polar regions and the retrieval of geospatial data to support infrared readings indicating land beyond defined Antarctic limits were among the first goals. Similar to earlier documented abnormalities, electromagnetic interference limited to the latitudes below 67 degrees south impeded mission progress. When the operatives arrived at the navigable waters outside the ice wall, they discovered a sizable continent in the shape of a crescent, which they named Sector Valtherion. Topography. Early aerial photos show expansive plains dotted with crystalline formations and large mountain ranges, known as Oraline Peaks. Contrary to assumptions based on latitude, coastal zones haven a mix of tundra and subtropical climates. Operatives noted a higher oxygen density in the atmosphere. Even throughout the day, visual phenomena were seen, such as persistent auroras, biological anomalies. There are no known analogs of the fauna on Earth. A creature that looked like blank and had bioluminescent and adaptable qualities were recovered by Team Bravo. Energy fields. Elevated levels of energy, also known as auroric flux, were shown to interfere with electronic devices.
Is that all of it? That's wild.
I'll send you that. I got that saying. This kind of goes back to what we were just talking about. When you go to Antarctica, apparently there's crystalline structures that has biological phenomena, mineralogical elements, lands that doesn't look anything like the known worlds. You know, it's an alien place. It even said extraterrestrial in there. You know what I'm saying? So when you go to Antarctica, and they call it, ironic enough, they call it Operation Etherbound.
Yeah.
It's like you're gonna get this parallel universe. You're walking into a parallel dimension, you know. So it's like, and this is CIA documents. This top secret from the CIA.
Honestly, I kind of tried to get. To me, there's two things. My goals in life are to be able to go to the North Pole or to the alleged South Pole, because we know there isn't a South Pole. But my main goal would be to go to the North Pole and figure out. I want to follow a magnet. All right, I want to follow a magnet and see where it leads me. first of all, compasses make zero sense on a globe. I just want to point that out to anyone who's in here.
And that goes, well, that ties into what I just read. So on that document, it basically said the same thing. There's interference with electronic devices, so that's going to be an electronic compass. So when you go down to Antarctica, as you heard, as we've all found out, the compass goes haywire. You know, it starts once you go down to Antarctica, and apparently, according to the document, there is auroras in the Antarctic region, basically the same as if you were to go to the North Pole. That would confirm that the toroidal field is basically emanating all the way up, and it's going to the Antarctic ice wall, coming back, kind of like a toroidal field. You know, that aurora is doing that Fibonacci pattern. You know, all around. You know. But we can't go far enough to be able to confirm it. You know, like I said, they're the ones who have this information. So